forces out. We have King Patrick, pass to begin. Virtual Angel moving a party outside, pull of action. Crazy Skip comes next. Then followed by Etchage, Harbor Magic, and Showmaster is the early trailer. We have King Patrick, Viral Kanehapa. Full of action in second. Etchage is racing in third. Virtual Angel is racing in fourth. Harbor Magic in fifth. Then comes Crazy Skip and Showmaster trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths of the pace. Meanwhile, we have King Patrick, Viral Kanehapa. Full of action in second. And here comes Harbor Magic. Now trying to get closer in third. Etchage in fourth. Virtual Angel, Crazy Skip, and Showmaster. And still King Patrick, Viral. And in second now is Harbor Magic. Virtual Angel now moving him to take third. Full of action. Etchage, then comes Crazy Skip. As they come down to the last 150. And it's still King Patrick, Viral Kanehapa. Harbor Magic, Virtual Angel in third. Last 100 meters, we have King Patrick by about 2 lengths over Harbor Magic. And entering the finish line, it's King Patrick, second, Harbor Magic. Virtual Angel, then comes Crazy Skip, Full of Action, Etchage, Showmaster.
Wala nang pinauna si Andre.